Continuing on with the region demonstrations, the next tasks work best when the image is basically smoothed. We're going to be looking at generating contours and such. And while there are a lot of counts in this image, there's also a lot of noise. So we're going to go ahead and smooth this, and we're actually going to smooth it quite a bit. So here I've smoothed it with a 10 pixel Gaussian. And now I'm just going to generate contours. It's going to be what contour level, and I'm going to say contour levels of 1. So it will generate a set of contours that enclose. The contours are designed to enclose the value 1, which is why there are some excluded regions here where the values are less than 1. Now, if I just want this outer region, what I can do is something like select it, edit, cut it away. Now select all the remaining regions, so region, select all, and delete them. And now I can paste back the original one. That's kind of a, once you learn the shortcut, the keyboard shortcuts for this, that's a handy little sequence of things to know. Now with this, I'm actually going to go back to one of our earlier tasks, which was extract the pixels along a polygon. So I'm going to find the closest pixel, and I'm going to plot versus angle. So what it's going to do is it's going to look up every data point in this polygon in the image, determine an angle from some nominal location somewhere here in the middle. It doesn't, the middle of an irregular polygon doesn't have much meaning. And you'll see that all the pixels are bouncing around 1 just because the contours, the closest pixel may not be greater than the threshold. It may actually be less, but it's pretty close. So that's kind of what that task does. I'm going to delete this now, and I'm going to draw a circle here, and we're going to create a different kind of contour called a lasso. This is kind of like a magic wand tool if you're used to paint shop programs, paint shop-like programs. It's going to start at the center of the circle. The circle, I drew a huge circle here. I can also draw this circle. And create a lasso. So it's going to go out, starting from this place until it hits the boundary between, in this case, 5 and below 5. And same thing, if I wanted to plot this, I can extract along the polygon, say the maximum value. Then you'll see, because it's the maximum value, they're all above 5. And if I just wanted to show, say, make this a scatter plot, circle, and I can turn off the width to 0, and it's basically, you get a scatter plot. The last one in this menu, the last item in this menu is the Convex Hull. So I can do something similar. So Convex Hull 5, and what we now have here, so I can move this guy out of the way again, is a simplified version of those things where only the outer edge is identified as a polygon. All of the interior, inner angles, all the concave points are being excluded, and we just have a convex polygon around the threshold level. And that's pretty much it.